Hey guys, so I know it's been a hot minute since I've posted a video. I've had some significant improvements. I now have my own garage that I'm working out of instead of the driveway and everything, doing things the right way. So now I can start posting more videos again. Today we're going to be doing, what year is this thing? It's a Honda. Okay, so 07 of 13. So it's a 2013 Honda CRV. We're going to be doing front brakes and rotors. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. As per usual, I'll take the tire off. Also upgraded a few extra tools. All right, we'll get this caliper off of here. Pull it around, don't let that free hang. Get the clips off the brake pads. As you can see, these are the brake pads. You see that little bit there? This is what it's supposed to look like, so you can see how low they are. Now we got to get this mount off of here. Apologize for not having my assistant here with me recording so she can get close-ups for you. All right, now we're going to take out this retaining screw right here. All that's for is to keep the rotor from coming off when it's going down the assembly line. It is not required for you to put it back on. This is not my car, however, so I will put it back on. Pop that rotor off in there. All right, make sure you line up that screw. And we'll put that screw back in. There we go. I'll put the caliper mount back on. Line up. Put some good torque on there. All right, now we're going to use this nice tool here. Put on the caliper. Try to get this where you can see it. that drum back in there, nice and slow. Take the new brake pads, put some grease on the little tabs here. The one with the rabbit ears goes in the back. Check the glide pins, they feel pretty good. It's not dried up. I'm gonna put a little more grease on that. I always want to grease your slide pins, glide pins, whatever you want to call them. All right, now we'll throw, actually, you got to put your clips back on your pads. All right, then we'll put the caliper back on. Be sure not to kink this hose. And this will have a certain way for these pins right here to turn, so that way they lock into place whenever you're tightening these bolts. Get that good torque. Get that good torque. And there's the front brakes and rotors on, what was it? Remind me, what, a 2013 Honda CRV. A Honda CRV 2013. If you're looking for work done, want to come around now that I actually have a shop, you can go to acauto.shop, which is my website. And with that, y'all have a good day.